What is up, guys? So yesterday I posted on my Instagram, I posted a poll asking you guys how much you think I paid for the N52 turbo kit. Now the car you just saw is not the N52 that is turbo, that is my daily. The N52 turbo is right here. Anyways, I got a lot of responses and a lot were kind of close, very close. And some others were completely like $80. One was $15,000. I'm like, come on guys, really? But I do get a lot of comments on the daily asking me how much I paid for it, what's on the car, is it worth the cost? So I thought I'd just make a little video, show you guys how it sits right now and kind of answer some of those questions. So let's get into it. So this is the turbo. It is a eBay turbo that I bought on a kit. It is a T3 T4 hybrid, and I believe it is a 0.63 AR. I have this 3-inch V-band adapter in the back, and that's what I use to connect it to the downpipe. So this turbo was actually 250 bucks. I bought it just for a placeholder until I get an actual turbo. The turbo manifold itself was customly made. I actually took the two existing heads off the stock headers, and I had the shop merge them together and put a V-band that came up and connected to the T3 flange. And that was $630 to make and fabricate, which was a great price considering the other options I had, which were none. The downpipe is a 3-inch downpipe from Doc Race. You actually had to email them directly in order to get this downpipe, as they sell it as one of their N54 top mount turbo kits. And that was $575 for the complete downpipe. It was a little pricey. If I would look back now, I would just get a custom one made for way less than. This is a tile wastegate. It's a 38mm that I bought directly from them, and that was $236.50. The intercooler is actually a eBay intercooler. It is a 31 by 12 by 3-inch intercooler, and that was $84.99. Now the intercooler did not come with any piping. I bought separate intercooler piping for $82.59 off eBay as well. I have a glow shift digital boost gauge, and I got that off Amazon for $89.99. And I also have a AEM AFR gauge, which came with the O2 sensor and everything, and that was $170.99. I picked up this AEM fuel ignition controller off eBay for $353.50. That was pretty much the only place you can get these, as they're discontinued on the AEM website. It's just a piggyback ECU that wires directly into your factory ECU. Now I do have upgraded injectors. They're Deca EV1 80-pound injectors. All 6 of them ran me $300. Now these will plug directly into the factory wiring harnesses for the fuel injectors. However, the O-ring is about half an inch lower than the factory injectors. So you'll need a half-inch fuel rail spacer, and that ran me $12.99 online, and it fit perfectly with this. This oil sending block I bought from Beamer World online, and it was $83.99, and it is perfect for sending pressurized oil to the turbo, as well as keeping your OEM oil pressure sensor. This little block is a map bypass block, and I got it from Blocks Racing online. It works pretty good. I'm still testing it out, but it's meant to hide the boost from the ECU so that while tuning, it doesn't throw any weird codes. So ideally, it would fit just like this. And this was $32. Now this boost controller I got from TurboSmart, it is a manual boost controller. It's something I'm using in place of the electronic boost controller, which I'm trying to get hopefully soon here. But this was $89.99. So I added up all the miscellaneous things like V-bands and bolts, and that ran me another $207.94, which is crazy. Which brought my total to $3,200.47. So I did beat the supercharger kit from ESS, which I was trying to do. It was $4,600, I believe, online. And I was trying to beat that so that I can make a semi-affordable kit, something that I can put together. But yeah, so none of you actually got it on the dot, but there was someone who got it within, I believe, $100. He was just $100 off, so I will be announcing that tonight, right after I upload this video. And so stay tuned. I will be posting more videos of the Turbo N52 when I get it on the road. Hopefully next week. I'm just waiting on one more part.